wanted to show you this Derma blade that I received from the company. It is made to like promote growing your beard, but anybody can use it for different reasons. It's titanium. It has these tiny, tiny little needles on there that you could see. You do need to clean it. Make sure that your face is clean as well. It gives all the directions on the box as well as it has a QR code that will really give you more instructions for it. Personally, I like using this and then putting my serums on after. It doesn't hurt. And it just really gets so that it opens everything up. You could read more about that too. I have super sensitive skin. I have rosacea, but I find that I'm able to use this and not have irritation. And then my husband also can use it as well. I definitely give this a try if you're looking for something like this. It also they do sell a cleaner for it, so that's also nice. So you can clean it after each use, and then you can replace this roller too if it gets dull.